blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend to slide to on a low location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life.
Yes, we are going for immunization. Good morning. They said it's 7-8 and now it's like some minutes after 8. We're already late, but I just hope they won't say anything about it. I don't know how these people do their own, but they told us 8. And yeah, we are just some minutes late. So I just hope that's still good. My sister is going to do my food. So yeah. Mama, turn. Mama, say hi. Mama, look. Say hello. Hello, you're going to take injection.
Say yes.
So guys, this just came in. What is it called? This thing that we are going to use and keep Go TV and other things. And our speaker sound system. So like we constructed it over here. And I just brought it now. So my husband is trying to fix it where it should be, so that our table can be in the center. You guys know we are using this table here because we don't have this, but now this is here. The table will just be in the center. So yeah. It's looking cute. Demure.
The next day.
Guys, I just came back and I'm so angry. Like, I went to pick the wheelbill and the driver came, like, got to Asaba around 11 to 12, I don't know. And like, I don't know if his car spots on the way because he came very late and he's still going to Lagos. Like, he's not even stopping in Asaba. These drivers, I don't know why they're lying, but they're supposed to give it to the driver that is stopping in Asaba, and this one said he's going to Lagos, that he will just call me when he gets to one feeding station like that. And then his car spots and he got there very late, so he gave it to the storekeepers there to like keep it for me till this morning. So I went there, like I was on my way, and the person called me and said I should come with 1,000 naira, like 1k this early morning, when I've already paid 4k for the well bill. Like, I was so angry. I already paid 4k for the well bill and they're telling me to bring 1,000. That's 5,000 for well bill. Like, if not that it was my sister that patronized, like, I would have been so angry because I would have gotten this thing here. Like, I know a place where I can just go and get it, and now I'm paying 5,000 naira for delivery. Like, it's just so annoying, but everything is fine. It's not like the vendor's fault, it's the driver's fault. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, he stopped taking my call. I don't know why. But I've gotten it. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Let me undress first. Like,
touched your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my good. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches think it's Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Like move fast and do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
Get done.
Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
guys, now it's afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Hey, it's not very bright. You guys should manage. I'm going out now to get what we'll eat because we didn't cook anything because we cooked beans yesterday and we cooked yam yesterday. Was it the day before yesterday? So like there's nothing to cook now, and today is Saturday and we're going to cook rice again tomorrow this evening, so there's nothing else to eat. And I cannot start cooking soup now because we were stressed today. Like we did clean up as you guys already saw. So I'm going to get swallow from Town Square. So yeah, when I come back I'll still go to the market to get want to cook fried rice. Let me heading out, no time to cook fried rice, so I'll still get things for fried rice in the evening, or maybe when we are done eating because we're hungry now. So yeah, let's go.
Say bye. Hey, fine.
You gotta go back. Guys, we're going to get things for weekend food. I want to cook fried rice. I'm going with my husband. We'll buy fuel on the way.
Baby, say hi. Say hi.
So guys, these are the things that we got. We got apple, things for the fried rice, and we got banana. Guys, our Jen, I don't know what is wrong, but we refuse to start, and we need to cook the fried rice this night. We need to cook the fried rice this night. No light, and I've not even baked my baby like a lot of things without light this night. Like I'm just so angry. I'm so angry, and we don't used to have lights here. Like we don't used to have lights. How can somebody live without light? I don't even know. Like I don't even want to think about it. I'm just so angry. But yeah, we just have to do what we have to do. Like yeah, I'm preparing to like to chop this thing, carrots, and then we'll still cut this. Let me turn my camera. And we'll still cut this thing and this and this. Like I've not even done anything. Everywhere is just like I don't know. I'm so tired, but I have to eat now.
La la,